आई होप यू आर enjoying माई वीडियोज़। आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम कल के वीडियो का एक क्विक ओवरव्यू देख लेते हैं। कल हमने पढ़ा था स्ट्रिंग जावा में एक बिल्ट इन क्लास होती है। कोई भी स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल जब हम डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उस क्लास का। एंड इंटरनली जो स्ट्रिंग होती है वो एक कैरेक्टर अरे में स्टोर होती है। उसके बाद हमने स्ट्रिंग की कुछ मेथड्स पढ़ी थी। First, length. It returns the length of the string, including blank spaces. Second, to uppercase. It converts string into capital letters. Third, to lowercase. It converts the string into small letters. Fourth, concate. It merges two strings. Fifth, character 8. It returns a particular character present at the given index. Sixth is empty. This method checks whether a string is empty or not. अब आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। And next method is trim. This method trims all the blank spaces from the given string and returns the string with no blank spaces. Next is index of. This method returns index number of the given character. If the character present more than one times in the string, then it returns index number of the first occurrence of the character. Next method is substring. This method returns substring of the string begins with the given index number. For example, if the string is hello world and if we give 6 as a parameter, then the method returns world, which is a substring of hello world and its starting index is 6. Next method is replace. This method replaces a particular character with new character in the string. Next is two character array. This method converts a string into a character type array so that we can perform operations of a character array on that string. Next method is equals. This method compares two strings and return a boolean value. It returns true if the strings are equal and it returns false if the strings are not equal. We can use this method with the if block. Next is equals ignore case. Equals method is case sensitive, means a capital A and small a is different for it. But in equals ignore case, capital A and small a becomes equal. This method also checks two strings, but it ignores the case. Let's see the working of this method in some detail. Next method is compare to. This method also compares two strings, but it returns an integer value. It returns 0 if both the values are equal, and it returns a positive value if the first string is greater than the second string, and it returns a negative value if second string is greater than the first string. Now let's understand this work. For this, let's take some examples. The statement is integer I equals to s1 dot compare to s2. This statement compares s1 and s2 and returns the output to the integer I. The first example is s1 is hello with a capital H and s2 is hello with a small h. Now this method performs calculation on the ASCII value of the characters. So ASCII value of capital H is 72 and the ASCII value of small h is 104. The difference of these two is minus 32. So the method returns minus 32. Let's take another example. Now we take the two strings as same. This method compares the difference of the first character. If it is become 0, then it takes difference of the ASCII value of the second character. If the difference of all the characters becomes 0, it returns 0 and it indicates that the strings are equal. Next example. Now S1 is education and S2 is knowledge. The ASCII value of capital E is 69 and the ASCII value of capital K is 75. The difference of both is minus 6. So the method returns minus 6. And it indicates that the second string is greater than the first string. Now the next method is compare to ignore case. Compare to is a case sensitive method and compare to ignore case is non-case sensitive methods, means capital A and small a is equal for it. It also returns an integer value. It returns 0 if both the strings are equal. Returns positive value if the first string is greater than the second value, and returns a negative value if the second string is greater than the first string.